crimp your hair or add trendy accent crimp waves to any style. It's quick and it's easy. Start with clean, dry hair. Lightly spray a thermal protectant or light hairspray where you plan to add accent crimps. Take a 1-inch section of hair and work from your scalp to the ends of your hair. Lightly clamp hair between plates and hold your hot Tools Crimper iron in position for 10 to 15 seconds. Release the handle and let the hair slide out. For continuous crimps, match the outermost crimp of your hair with the plates and hold in position for 15 seconds. Continue taking 1-inch accent pieces until the desired look is achieved. Lightly use your fingers to relax the texture and create separation. Apply your favorite styling product to create definition. Use a silicone product or conditioning serum on the ends to keep ends looking polished and non-frizzy. Finish your look with a medium hold hairspray to set the style and party on.